All right, you have a drum set and you're ready to rock out. This is your very first drum beat you're gonna learn and your very first drum fill. How cool is that? So your drum beat is going to just be a 2-action thing, just a couple of simple coordinations here with your limbs. You're gonna say one and you're gonna do one thing. When you say one, you're gonna do your kick drum here and your hi-hat right here at the same time. One, right? You say one, do that action. One. Now you're gonna say two for the next part of this coordination. You're gonna say two and you're gonna do your snare drum and your hi-hat at the same time. This time not the kick, just these two sticks right here. Two. That's it for number two. So now we're gonna go back and forth with that. One, two. One, two. One, two. One, two. I'll speed it up just so it sounds more groovy. Cool. And of course, that drum groove there can be done at many different speeds, but do what's right for you. Take it nice and slow. Next, we're going to do an awesome drum fill. Now, drum fill is basically generally speaking, a transition in music for the drummer to take the band from one section of a song into another section of the song. That's how drum fills are used quite often. What we'll do with this drum fill is we're going to count 1 and 2 and. So those ands are filling in those spaces between the numbers, which means our rhythm is going to be twice as fast for the drum fill. 1 and 2 and. So if we were doing the drum beat, this speed, 1, 2, we're doing the drum fill twice as fast. 1 and 2. You get a sense of that, right? Okay, what I'm gonna do is put this all together in this cool little package, rock and roll package here. I'm gonna do the 2 count 3 times and then do the drum fill. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, and 2, and. Okay, we're not done yet. We gotta do an awesome crash hit at the end of this. I'm gonna do the crash and kick at the same time. That's awesome. That will come right at the end of that drum fill. So I'll do this whole thing together. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, and 2, and. Do that again. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, and 2, and. Okay, that's rad. I'll speed it up. Okay, next we're going to do a variation of that drum fill. Instead of doing the 4 notes on the snare drum, I'm going to do just the first 2 on this and then the next 2 on the rack tom here. So it's still going to be counted 1 and 2 and, 1 and 2 and, 1 and 2 and. So I'll do that loop again. Here we go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1 and 2 and. All right, super sweet. Have a lot of fun with that. This drum beat that's called the 2 beat, you could play that along to so many songs because it's just a general tempo feel for the drum beat. So you can play along to pop and rock and country and blues and metal and so many different styles of music for this drum groove. Click the link in the description to find out more how you can join my club. See you there. Now that you got your first drum beat and fill down, very cool. Now imagine how it's going to feel a month from now with consistent step-by-step practice. If you're ready to keep the momentum going, I invite you to join my beginner drummer membership, MJ's Drumheads Club. Inside, you'll get a brand new video every week with fun, easy to follow, fundamental exercises designed just for beginners. Plus, you get a chance to hop on a weekly live group call where you can ask questions, hear other drummers ask questions, get feedback, and stay motivated. It's like having a drum teacher and a support crew in your corner in a no pressure, motivating, supportive community. Click the link below to find out more. I look forward to seeing you there.